Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Farmers Event Market in Grey Garden. So you are going to want to teleport here and to travel. I must warn you, the server is a little bit laggy. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of pets. Basically, you are going to find an empty booth. For instance, this one. Claim and then select the stall you have. Press edit and create a listing. Grab a pet that you want to sell. Let's sell. Let's see. Like, do I have like a double? Oh, let's do the Sapphire Macaw. Oh my gosh, it's very laggy. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna select this one. You are able to change the value here if you want more. So for instance, 15. Then you're going to press sell here, I think, and you'll receive 14 trading tokens. Press sell, and then are you sure you want to list this item for sale? Press confirm, and it's going to be for sale. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.